Today, we will answer a math challenge given by one of our followers. And the question goes like this. So given this equation, x plus 1 over 16x equals 3, then the goal is to evaluate this expression, 16x cubed plus 1 over 256x cubed. Now, pause this video right now and see if you can answer this question, because I will show you the solution in 3, 2, 1. And given this equation, x plus 1 over 16x equals 3, the goal is to evaluate this expression, 16x cubed plus 1 over 256x cubed. Now, to answer this kind of question, notice that we have here x cubed and 1 over x cubed. And to answer this, given this x plus 1 over 16x, what we're going to do is to use this identity, a plus b raised to the power of 3, because from x, we need x cubed. Now, if we expand a plus b raised to the power of 3, we get something like a cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cubed. Now, if we rearrange some terms a little bit, we have a cubed plus b cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared. And now, we can factor out the common factor of 3ab in these two terms. And if we do that, we get 3ab multiplied by a plus b. And a plus b raised to the power of 3 is also equivalent to a cubed plus b cubed plus 3ab multiplied by a plus b. This is very helpful identity. Now, let's use this to find the value of 16x cubed plus 1 over 256x cubed. Now, let's get our equation. And then what we're going to do is to cube on both sides. Now, on the left-hand side, we have here x plus 1 over 16x raised to the power of 3. And using this identity, the left-hand side simply equivalent to x cubed plus 1 over 16x raised to the power of 3 plus 3 times the product of x and 1 over 16x multiply by x plus 1 over 16x. And 3 cubed simply equal to 27. Now, let's focus on this result. And focusing on these 3 terms, 3 times x times 1 over 16x. Notice that this x on the numerator and on the denominator becomes 1. Therefore, this is just 3 over 16. Now, x plus 1 over 16x. This is the given, and this is equivalent to just 3. So we can replace this with 3. And now, let's focus on this result. 3 over 16 multiplied by 3, this is just 9 over 16. And subtract 9 over 16 on both sides. So this will give us x cubed plus 1 over 16 cubed x cubed equals 423 over 16. Now, let's focus on this result, because this looks something like our expression that we want to evaluate. The only difference is we have here 16 cubed, or simply equivalent to 4096. And we want here 256 or 16 squared. So what we're going to do here is to multiply all of this term by 16. And if we do that, we have 16x cubed. 16 times 1 over 16 cubed. So we have 1 over 16 squared, x cubed. And 423 over 16 times 16, 16 cancel out. So this will give us 423. Now at this point, 16 squared, we know 16 times 16 is 256. And there you have it. 16x cubed plus 1 over 256x cubed simply equivalent to 423. And this is our answer to this question. Therefore, given this equation x plus 1 over 16x equals 3, then the numerical value of 16x cubed plus 1 over 256x cubed simply equal to 423. And as always, we are done.